So I did want to make another quick video while I've got this, got my water pump off. So here's my timing cover, and obviously it's been the victim of some cavitation. But so the first time I changed a water pump on this car was way back, I can't remember now, 50, 60, 70,000 miles ago. And this timing cover was, it had this cavitation damage, but it was worse actually, quite a bit worse. And at the time, I used some JB Weld to repair. Not even, I knew it wasn't going to be a repair. I honestly was just curious how the JB Weld would hold up. Would it hold up? What would happen? Anyway. So here's the result after it's actually been through one more replacement after that, and then so now this latest gasket leak had me pull the pump off, and so just something to keep in mind. So that timing cover is what, it's aluminum, I guess, and I did my best cleaning it. I did my best to follow directions as far as allowing the JB Weld to cure. And honestly, there is this cavitation damage that is visible now is mostly in that JB Weld that I put in. Now a lot of the JB Weld is gone, so some of it did not hold on or did not stay put like I would have liked it to, but I'm not hugely surprised. Some of it is still present, and I guess did stay there, which is a little bit of a surprise. It's a good surprise, but anyway, this is also a reason why I now regret, or I wish that I had not switched over to the OAT formula coolant. Originally, the engine came with the hybrid OAT, the HOAT, and I switched over to Dexcool actually for reasons that are still valid, but I won't get into. But now knowing what I know about all this, I should have stayed with the HOAT, because once damage like this happens, the HOAT coolant, the HOAT coolant, is able to immediately begin, to coat the surface, this damaged surface, and any protection that it can provide, it will start to provide that protection immediately, as opposed to the OAT coolant, like Dexcool. It takes quite a bit of miles, quite a bit of time for it to lay down a layer and start protecting any unprotected metal. In an undamaged, in a system that has no cavitation damage like this, the OAT coolant's delay in protection, I guess, is fine. But obviously, when you have a system that is constantly uncovering fresh material that needs to be protected but won't be with the OAT, a problem exists. That's not something that I had considered when I made the decision to switch to the OAT coolant. But anyway, just something I wanted to make a note of.